Hello, I'm Penny Leffler and I'm thrilled to welcome you to the Memory Collective. Today marks the beginning of a wonderful journey where we will share our passion for scrapbooking, planner making, journaling, and all sorts of DIY crafts. Joining me in this adventure are my two daughters, Emily and Autumn. Together, we're excited to share the fun tips and tricks that we've picked up over the years. Let me take you back to where it all started. As a little girl, I received a Polaroid camera for Christmas. I was always snapping photos of my sisters and my friends. My earliest scrapbooks were those magnetic photo albums, and I'd put in stickers and memorabilia. But it wasn't until right around 1995 that I discovered the magic of archival safe products. Oh, the world of beautiful paper and die cuts and stickers that followed. Scrapbooking became a shared joy with all my friends and family. Fast forward a bit, a dear friend introduced me to the world of professional photography. So I took pictures, whether it was school pictures or family pictures, all kinds of different portraits. And this experience really deepened my love for capturing those memorable moments. But I realized I really preferred photography as a hobby instead of making a living and really focusing on being my family's historian. Then came the scrapbook store with my aunt. It was so dreamy. Teaching and hosting midnight crops, building a community. It was just heaven. But as life evolved, I ventured back into the corporate world. It was very fulfilling, yet it left little room for hobbies that I cherished, especially scrapbooking. Becoming a grandma changed everything. It completely reshaped my perspective on life and how I wanted to spend my time. So I retired. And this allowed more self-reflection and eventually led me right here with all of you. The world of paper crafting has evolved so much since my days at the scrapbook store. I am so eager to learn all the new things, to blend the modern techniques with those timeless ones that we've learned or tried and true, and to really help bring ease and joy to this craft. So join me as I rediscover this wonderful world, and together we'll explore, create, and we'll grow. I can't wait to embark on this journey with you, and I am so excited to get to know each of you more and more. So let's dive in, create memories, and most importantly, let's have fun doing it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Share your stories with us, show us your crafts, and let's build a community of memory keepers. Until our next crafty adventure, happy crafting!